I'm Lucy with Rossmönster Vans, and today I want to show you around this Sprinter 144 that we just wrapped up. Exterior highlights of this rig include an Aluminess roof rack, the double loop roof rack, and also an Aluminess ladder on the other side, which I'm sure you saw in the intro. So let's step inside and take a look at the interior. Welcome inside. Before we go into the specific components of this build, I'll talk about some of the design elements. So on the floor, we have sterling oak flooring. Up top, we have walnut stained pine tongue and groove ceiling. We have walnut butcher block countertops and tables throughout, 5-panel doors, painted doors. We have Duramax upholstered bench seat dinette conversion, and then Duramax upholstered wall panels. All right, in the galley area of this van, we have a single burn and true induction cooktop. We have our 15 by 20 Ruvati workstation sink with a colander insert. We have a 4.63 cubic foot Isotherm fridge and freezer combination. And then we have a little bit of storage under our sink here, and this is also where we're going to keep the 7-gallon gray water tank. Additional storage in this van is just going to be upper cabinet storage all down the driver's side. All of this is going to be on gas struts for easy opening and closing with RV latches. And then moving a little bit further back, we have our silverware drawer in the galley and just a nice little cubby here for other miscellaneous items. While I'm here, I'll show you the dinette unit. So this is going to convert into a tri-fold full-size bed so that this van can comfortably sleep 4. But right now it's in dinette unit. 2 people can sit here comfortably, and we have our 360-degree swivel lagoon mount table that can either be mounted here or up top closer to those captain's chairs. So I'm going to go ahead and take this down, put together the bed, and you can see what it looks like when it's all laid out. So when you're ready to put this bed in sleep mode, we're going to go ahead and pull it towards you, grab the legs from in here, screw them on, and then you'll have it come out into a full bed. So there you have it. Bed is fully laid out. So now you have a super comfortable sleeping area for 2 on the lower part. We also have that raised bed in the rear. That's going to have a custom touch to mattress on it, so it's going to be super comfortable as well. Before I go into the back of the van, I'll just touch on ventilation quickly. On both sides of this main area, we have our CR Laurence T vent windows, and then all the way in the rear, we have some 2 half slides on either side of the bed. Up top, we have a Dometic Penguin AC Unit. This is going to be used when plugged into shore power only. And then we have our Maxair fan up top, which is really nice because it can suck air out of the van or pull air into the van, depending on your needs at that moment. Let's check out the back. All right, welcome to the rear. So as I said, relatively simple build, but in the garage area here, you can find 2 cabinets. It has its own lighting area. So we have our garage light back here. On the passenger side, we have our power systems. So in here we have 340 amp hours of AGM Super Cycle battery. We have our 100 watts of solar coming through, and then we have a 3,000 watt inverter. And on the driver's side, we have a 20-gallon fresh water tank. And then you just have a ton of open storage back here, which is the best part of these raised beds. Lastly, we're going to have an Espar heater in here, so that'll allow this rig to be 4-season capable, as well as with our AC unit. So if it gets super hot like today, you have a little bit of leeway there. That wraps up this van tour. Again, I'm Lucy with Rossmönster Vans. Thanks for giving us a watch. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a van tour. Hope you have a great rest of your day.